Hey there, welcome to the video. If you're preparing for the CompTIA A+ Core 1 exam, this is a great place to start. In this session, we'll go through a set of practice questions that cover key topics like hardware, networking, mobile devices, and virtualization. We're using Skilltestpro for this one. It's a solid platform with realistic questions that really help you get comfortable with the exam format. Let's jump in and see how you do. First question. A technician is setting up a workstation for graphic design. What components should they prioritize for the best performance? 1. High-end graphics. 2. Wired mouse. 3. High wattage power supply. 4. External speakers. And 5. Extra USB ports. And the correct answer is number 1. High-end graphics cards. The reason being is because a powerful GPU is essential for rendering and handling high-resolution images efficiently. On to the next question. A user's desktop computer fails to boot, displaying a "no boot device found" error. What is the most likely cause? 1. A loose RAM module. 2. A disconnected or failed storage drive. 3. A low battery. 4. A faulty sound card. And 5. A disabled firewall. And the correct answer is number 2. Reason being is because if the system cannot find a boot device, the primary storage drive may be disconnected or defective. On to the next question. A technician needs to replace thermal paste on a CPU. What is the primary purpose of thermal paste? 1. Increase CPU clock speed. 2. Prevent short circuits. 3. Improve heat transfer between the CPU and cooler. 4. Improve network speed. And 5. Reduce power consumption. And the correct answer is number 3. Reason being is because thermal paste enhances heat dissipation, preventing overheating. On to the next question. A user reports that their Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on their laptop, but works fine on their phone. What should be checked first? 1. The phone's screen resolution. 2. The printer's firmware. 3. The desktop wallpaper. 4. The laptop's Wi-Fi adapter settings. And 5. The battery percentage. And the correct answer is number 4. Reason being is because if only one device is having Wi-Fi issues, its network adapter settings may need adjustment. On to the next question. A technician is diagnosing a laptop with a distorted screen. The external monitor displays correctly. What is the most likely issue? 1. A failing laptop screen. 2. An outdated network driver. 3. A loose Ethernet cable. 4. A faulty USB device. And 5. A full hard drive. And the correct answer is number 1. A failing laptop screen. Reason being is because if an external monitor works fine, the issue is likely with the laptop's built-in display. On to the next question. A technician needs to securely erase all data from a decommissioned hard drive. What is the best method? 1. Delete all files manually. 2. Install a new operating system. 3. Use a data wiping utility. 4. Enable guest mode. And 5. Turn off Windows Defender. And the correct answer is number 3. Reason being is because secure wiping utilities overwrite all data to ensure it cannot be recovered. On to the next question. A user complains that their touchscreen is not responding. What should be checked first? 1. Replace the power adapter. 2. Reboot the device. 3. Turn off airplane mode. 4. Increase the screen brightness. And 5. Disable Bluetooth. And the correct answer is number 2. Reason being is because restarting the device can resolve many touchscreen responsiveness issues. On to the next question. A user is unable to print from their computer, but other users can print fine. What should be checked first? 1. Verify the user has the correct printer selected. 2. check if the toner is low. 3, restart the router. 4, replace the motherboard. And 5, update the network driver. And the correct answer is number 1. Reason being is because if other users can print, the issue is likely a misconfigured printer selection on the affected user's PC. On to question 9. A technician is replacing a hard disk drive with an SSD. What is one major advantage of using an SSD? 1, lower graphics quality. 2, increased power consumption. 3, higher latency. 4, faster reading/write speeds. And 5, more moving parts. And the correct answer is number 4. Reason being is because SSDs significantly improve performance due to faster data access and lack of moving parts. On to question 10. A user reports that their desktop screen is showing a no signal message. What should the technician check in first? 1, restart the printer. 2, ensure the video cable is securely connected. 3, check for malware. 4, disable airplane mode. And 5, update the antivirus software. And the correct answer is number 2. Reason being is because a loose or disconnected video cable is a common cause of a no signal message. On to question 11. A user needs to connect a printer that is located in another room without using cables. What is the best option? 1, parallel port connection. 2, Ethernet only setup. 3, VGA cable. 4, Wi-Fi printing. And 5, installing an extra cooling fan. And the correct answer is number 4. Reason being is because wireless printing allows users to connect to printers without needing physical cables. On to question 12. A technician is setting up a RAID 5 array. What is the primary benefit of this configuration? 1, fault tolerance and performance improvement. 2, faster internet speed. 3, single drive operation. 4, increased cooling efficiency. And 5, lower power consumption. And the correct answer is number 1. Reason being is because RAID 5 provides redundancy and increased read performance using parity data. On to question 13. A technician needs to install an operating system on a new laptop without a DVD drive. What is the best method? 1, install from a floppy disk. 2, use a Bluetooth connection. 3, use a bootable USB drive. 4, copy files via an external hard drive. And 5, enable guest mode. And the correct answer is number 3. Reason being is because bootable USB drives are the standard method for installing an operating system on modern devices without optical drives. On to question 14. A user reports that their Wi-Fi signal is weak in certain parts of their house. What is the best solution? 1, upgrade to a wired keyboard. 2, install a Wi-Fi range extender. 3, lower the screen brightness. 4, disable all firewalls. And 5, replace the SSD. And the correct answer is number 2. Reason being is because a range extender can boost Wi-Fi signals in weak coverage areas. On to question 15. A technician replaces a laptop battery, but the system does not detect the new battery. What should they do first? 1, replace the RAM. 2, reinstall the operating system. 3, check for the firmware update. 4, update the graphics drivers. And 5, reset the monitor settings. And the correct answer is number 3. Reason being is because some laptops require a BIOS or firmware update to properly recognize new batteries. On to question 16. A user connects a new second monitor, but it only mirrors the primary display instead of extending it. What settings should they check first? 1, Wi-Fi network settings. 2, audio output settings. 3, display mode settings. 4, task manager. And 5, device manager. And the correct answer is number 3. Reason being is because the display settings allow users to change between mirror and extended display modes. On to question 17. A customer complains that their gaming PC crashes randomly under heavy load. What should the technician check first? 1. Monitor refresh rate. 2. Printer driver installation. 3. USB power settings. 4. Bluetooth signal strength. And 5. CPU and GPU temperatures. And the correct answer is number 5. Reason being is because overheating can cause system crashes, especially under heavy workloads like gaming. On to question 18. A technician is setting up a home office for a remote worker who requires a stable connection for video conferencing. What is the best type of connection to use? 1. Wired Ethernet. 2. Public Wi-Fi. 3. Mobile hotspot. 4. Dial-up connection. And 5. Bluetooth tethering. And the correct answer is number 1. The reason being is because wired Ethernet provides a stable and fast connection, reducing lag in video calls. On to question 19. A laptop user complains that their screen is dim even when the brightness is set to maximum. What is the most likely cause? 1. A missing graphics driver. 2. A failing backlight. 3. A slow internet connection. 4. An incorrect wallpaper. And 5. An unplugged USB device. And the correct answer is number 2. Reason being is because a dim display, despite maximum brightness settings, is often caused by a failing LCD backlight. On to the last question. A user reports that their desktop is taking a long time to boot and frequently freezes. What is the most likely cause? 1. An unplugged Ethernet cable. 2. A disconnected monitor. 3. A failing hard drive. 4. A faulty power button. And 5. A weak Wi-Fi signal. And the correct answer is number 3. Reason being is because a failing hard disk drive often causes slow boot times and system freezes due to the read/write errors. And that's a wrap for this round of Core 1 practice questions. Great job sticking with it. If you're working toward your A+ certification, keep practicing and reviewing the areas that need a little more attention. I've added the link to Skilltestpro in the description and the first comment so you can try their full set of practice tests yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep going, you're building real skills that matter.